Then the secretary locked that door and she also leave this office. What we don't want is we don't want the town clerk in the office now.
You lock that room. We need to see that key and give us the key.
To be locked. How long should we keep on entertaining country?
Okay.
But also the entry.
The entry.
You
want
two keys.
As we see, no. Where the spare?
No. How long are we going to keep on remaining in this country? That's your another was the key.
You have no problem.
Police is going to continue with the investigations and bring it to its logical conclusion. Today, government services had to be closed here because the town clerk is the engine of service delivery.
Some of them have been telling me to fight them, but this war is not mine. I must be open to you. We are going to start actually speaking the truth. The war was for Mayor, not mine.
None of them came here. So it was the General Secretary's office. Thank you. Are you comfortable? Is there no poison in your thing there? Sit. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.